After a little scrubbing, I put a little water in a bowl, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds to help with the shucking process. Shucked and ready to eat. I can't believe, look at how much oyster liquor is in these oysters. And now it's time to give these Alabama oysters a try. Let's see how they shape up against the Florida oysters. First, I want to give that liquor a try, that oyster liquor that's in the shell. Nice and briny. And all I want is just a few drops of pepper sauce on mine. I want to get as much of the real oyster flavor as possible. And it's time. So before I snuff this down, I just got to show you, look at this. It's in the palm of my hand. So just to show you, give you a reference as to the size of it. And look at the size of the oyster itself. Pretty nice. Now it's down the hatch, mateys. So I have to say that Alabama gets a 2 thumbs up for their oysters. You know, it is meaty, it is juicy, it is oystery, all in the best ways possible. I love it. This is a good oyster.